Welcome back to the CAR New Model channel. Today we're going to be discussing one of the most advanced adventure SUVs ever. Meet this is the all-new 2027 Jetour T2, and it might be one of the most surprising adventure SUVs we've seen in years. With a bold, boxy design, aggressive off-road styling, and technology built for modern explorers, the Jetour T2 looks ready to challenge some of the biggest names in the SUV world. In today's video, we're going to explore everything from the exterior design to the premium interior and the performance under the hood. And trust me, the details might surprise you. Let's dive in. The 2027 Jetour T2 immediately stands out with its bold, boxy design, inspired by classic off-road vehicles, but modernized with futuristic styling elements. At the front, the SUV features a large, upright grille finished in deep black, proudly displaying the Jetour logo at the center. This design gives the vehicle a strong and confident road presence. The LED headlights are designed with a rugged rectangular shape that perfectly complements the SUV's off-road character. Inside the housings, modern LED elements create a distinctive lighting signature that looks both aggressive and high-tech. Moving to the side, the Jetour T2 reveals its muscular SUV proportions. The flat roofline, strong shoulder line, and pronounced wheel arches create a powerful stance that immediately communicates off-road capability. Large all-terrain wheels and tires fill the wheel arches, while high ground clearance ensures the SUV can tackle challenging terrain with ease. At the rear, the Jetour T2 embraces its adventurous identity with a rear-mounted spare tire attached to the tailgate, a feature that many off-road enthusiasts love. The LED taillights feature a clean vertical design that blends modern styling with a rugged off-road aesthetic. Overall, the exterior design of the 2027 Jetour T2 successfully combines classic expedition SUV styling with modern automotive technology. Step inside the 2027 Jetour T2, and you'll find a cabin that blends rugged durability with premium comfort. The dashboard features a clean horizontal layout, emphasizing the SUV's strong and practical design philosophy. At the center sits a large floating touchscreen infotainment display, which acts as the hub for navigation, connectivity, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster displays important driving information in a modern and customizable layout. The steering wheel itself features a modern multi-function design with integrated controls, allowing drivers to access key features without taking their hands off the wheel. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, including soft-touch surfaces, leather seats with contrast stitching, and brushed metallic accents. The seats are designed to provide both comfort for long road trips and support for off-road driving, making the Jetour T2 a versatile vehicle for everyday life and adventure. Overall, the interior of the Jetour T2 feels modern, durable, and ready for adventure. Now let's talk about what powers the 2027 Jetour T2. While official specifications may vary depending on the market, the new T2 is expected to offer a range of powerful and efficient powertrains. One likely option is a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering strong performance while maintaining good fuel efficiency. Some reports also suggest the possibility of a hybrid powertrain, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to improve both power and efficiency. For off-road enthusiasts, the Jetour T2 is expected to feature a capable four-wheel drive system, allowing the SUV to confidently tackle challenging terrain. With high ground clearance, advanced traction control systems, and multiple driving modes, the T2 is designed to perform in a wide range of environments, from city streets to rugged mountain trails. Add in its 700mm water weighting capability and strong off-road geometry, and the Jetour T2 becomes a serious contender in the adventure SUV category. So, what do you think about the 2027 Jetour T2? With its bold design, modern interior, and impressive off-road capability, this SUV could become one of the most exciting adventure vehicles in its class. It combines the rugged spirit of classic off-roaders with the technology and comfort of modern SUVs, making it a compelling choice for drivers who want both style and capability. If Jetour delivers on its promise, the 2027 T2 might just become a serious competitor to some of the most popular off-road SUVs on the market. But now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2027 Jetour T2 for your next adventure SUV? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.